Hey, everyone! Today, we've got a topic that some of you might have encountered, the frustration of not being able to sign out of iCloud on your iPhone or iPad due to restrictions. If you've been scratching your head trying to figure this out, you're in the right place. First things first, let's head to the Settings app on your device. Now, if you go to your Apple ID at the top of Settings, you might notice that the Sign Out button is dimmed and not available. Why is that? The culprit here is often the restrictions settings. Let's take a look. Scroll down to Screen Time, tap on Change Screen Time Passcode, and then tap Turn Screen Time Passcode. Enter your passcode if prompted. Once you've done that, head back to your Apple ID and Settings, and voila! The Sign Out button is no longer grayed out. There you have it, folks. If you've been struggling with the iCloud sign out restrictions on your iPhone or iPad, it's likely tied to your device's restriction settings. Adjusting those should give you back control over signing out of iCloud. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop.